So let's make egg fried rice today. So this is a heated pan and I'm adding refined oil to it. Now I'm adding an egg to it. And then a little salt, some black pepper, and then finely chopped garlic and ginger and green miर्ch and some roughly chopped onions. Now let's toss it. Now increase the flame and let's toss it. Then add the rice to it. And then add salt accordingly. A little black pepper. This is optional. This is Maggie Masala. I use it. I like it. And this is also optional. This is Garam Masala. So this is MSG. You can add it or it's completely optional. You can add sauces to it if you want. I like it raw. So I'm not adding sauces to it. Well, if you want a fried rice recipe with sauce, you can comment down below for it. I will surely try to cover it in my next video. And here you go. It's ready. Taste it before serving. Completely fine. Thank you guys. Bye bye.